How to become a seller on Temu application. In this video, I will show you how can you easily become a seller on Temu. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, before you create a seller account on Temu application, you need to consider certain things related to your brand and small business which you are going to start on Temu. So the very first thing that you need to consider is the qualification. After that, you need to make sure about the trade model as well. And lastly, you need to take care about the brand qualifications. You can read this article in the official website of Temu, and there, after you are done and confirm about all the details that the Temu requires for a seller on its application, you can easily create an account as a seller. To create a seller account on Temu, you don't have to fuss a lot. You simply need to click on register and create an account as you did before as a customer. Only you need to choose the option of seller now. So that's it. That is how easily you can become a seller on Temu application. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.